Hey everybody, I wanted to show you what my wife was able to do with our fireplace and our tile that goes around our fireplace. So we've lived here in our home since the late 1990s, about 1998. So it was a new house at the time. So we're 24, maybe 25 years. This house is, as far as age, and we've lived in it since about 1998. So at the time in the late 90s, the style was the light wood stained color, and dark green was popular. And so our fireplace right now looks very different. So we got some chalk paint. Chalk paint is very popular right now, and the plan originally was to maybe try to distress the fireplace with the distressed look that's popular, but because of the light stain underneath it, I felt like maybe I didn't like it. So the fireplace is all white, and the tile is a dramatic change. So how to change the color of your tile without replacing the tile. So how to change the color of the tile without replacing your tile. So basically, my wife, she took a day off from work yesterday. She needed a break, she said, and she went and got some contact paper. This is countertop contact paper, and so these tiles look like fresh white marble tiles, or white and gray marble tiles. And all she did was she used the contact paper, and she used these little tools here, cutting tools and smoothing out tools. So from a distance, it looks really nice. So we got rid of the greens. The dark grout between the tiles is still there. And so now it did take her a good while to do this. We looked at other options. We looked at some stick-on tiles from Lowe's a few weeks ago, and we quickly realized that we didn't like that, or we felt like it wasn't going to work for whatever reason. Now these tiles are cut in kind of some odd shapes. The workmanship, when they made the house, I don't know why, but a lot of the tiles are odd shapes. So she ended up, she spent a lot of time doing this, but the alternative was to knock the green tiles out and try to put fresh tiles in. And I don't have any experience doing that, so we would have probably had to pay somebody to do that if we were going to do that. But anyway, so this this contact paper, kitchen countertop contact paper, is taking these green tiles, and now from a distance, it looks just fine, And we don't walk on this area right here. Sometimes we put a doggy bed on top of it right here, whatever, but we never walk across there or put chairs there or anything like that in that little area. So as far as durability, it remains to be seen, but for now, the look to go, so doing away with that dark green, and I'll put the pictures on the video here. We have some pictures of what it looked like, before and after, so you can see based on the pictures that I'll put on the video here that quite a transformation. So a little paint on your mantle to do away with that light stain, a nice fresh white look, and we have some shelving to the right as well that was painted. You can see over there that was also the light stain. So dramatic transformation. And so if you guys are looking to change the color of your tile, this may or may not be a solution for you. This is countertop contact paper, and you can see the results here. And as far as durability, we'll see how long it lasts, but it's very, very encouraging. She spent a lot of time. She was very meticulous with it. So maybe this could be something that would help you in your project at your house. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the video, to my channel, please consider doing so. We have lots of different things on my channel, and I appreciate everybody's support. All right, bye.